Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to the CAD-CAM library. In this video we will design this T-type brass fitting by using the thread commands and other commands. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and follow the complete course of SolidWorks in CAD-CAM library. So now let's start. Now first of all select that front plane, sketch. Now select that circle command and draw a circle here. Now go to the smart dimension and adjust the dimension up to 28 mm. Now go to the feature, extruded boss base. Now I'll extrude it up to 60 mm and make the condition mid plane. Now I also want to make it hollow, so select here thin feature and now make it up to 3 mm thin. Now it is going outward, so I'll reverse the direction to make it inward from outside. Click OK. Now you can see, and make that background as plain white. Now select this outer circle and select here convert entities. Now you can see it is converted. Now select that circle command and draw a circle here. Smart dimension, adjust the dimension up to 34. Now go to the feature, extruded boss base. Now extrude it up to 5 mm and make it in reverse direction. Click OK. Now you can see. So now we'll increase the image quality so that we'll get the proper edges. Go here and here select image quality and increase that. Click OK. Now you can see. So if we want to make this design on other side as well, so only select this sketch and go here extruded boss base, and now select here offset and make it offset up to 60 mm. Now you can see it is in this direction, so reverse it. Now you can see. Click OK. Make it 5 mm and click OK. Now you can see it is created. So now we have to create the T shape here. So select that right plane, normalize it, sketch. Now select the circle command and draw a circle here. Smart dimension and adjust the dimension up to 28. Now go to the feature, extruded boss base. Now here I'll extrude it up to 30 mm and make it offset and offset it up to 30. Now you can see it is offset, and now I'll select here up to surface, and up to surface, for that I'll select this surface. Now you can see it is extruded up to that surface. Click OK. Now you can see T shape is created. Now select this face, go to sketch, normalize it. Now we'll select that circle command and draw a circle here. Smart dimension, adjust the dimension up to 34. So we want to create a collar here just like that. So go to the feature, extrude boss base and extrude it up to 5. And make it in reverse direction. Click OK. Now you can see. Again select this face, go to the sketch, normalize it, select that circle command and draw a circle here and adjust the dimension from a smart dimension and make it up to 22. Now go to the feature and here extruded cut. Now we'll make it up to the surface and select this inner surface. Click OK. Now you can see hole is created up to that selected surface. So now we will make the threads. So go here, hole widget, and here is the thread. Click here. Now first we have to select that circle around which we want to make the thread. Click here. And now we have to select the length. We want to make it up to 15 mm. Click here, metric tab, and here size is M16/2. Everything is okay. Click OK. Now you can see threads are created, but you see that threads are not so perfect. So again go to the thread, edit, and we will make that offset it up to 2 mm and make it in other direction so it comes outward. Click OK. Now you can see threads are created. So to create threads on the other side, so this just like the same process. Go to the threads and select that circle, 15 degree, metric tab, M16/2, and offset it up to 2 mm and make it in reverse direction. Click OK. Now you can see threads are created. So again go to the threads, select that circle and make it offset 2 mm offset in reverse direction. Now you can see metric tab and size M16/2, and now I'll select that left hand thread. That was the right hand thread. Now this is the left hand thread, so select left hand thread, click OK. Now you can see threads are created in all of the 3 sides. Now select that fillet and make it up to 1 mm fillet, and now select this face, this face, this face, and this face. Click OK. Now you can see it is just like a T-type fitting. So I'll assign the material. Go here, appearance, and select here metal. Go here brass and select here brushed brass. Click OK. Now you can see. I hope that you would like my tutorial. Please subscribe the channel for further videos like that.